I hate using Q-tips in my ears. It just hurts my ears and it just shoves the wax back down in my ears. So I don't use them. I use a earwax cleaner. What this does, instead of me using a Q-tip and just pushing the wax down there, all I have to do is push this in there and it's going to flush the wax down. So it comes with 2 attachments, they're the exact same, and then you have a bunch of different little earpieces so you don't have to reuse the same one. All you have to do is get your little attachment, put that in there, put that on there, and then you just have the power button and then normal, strong, and pulse. And then to charge it, you just take your cord and then you just need a block. It comes with the cord you need, and then the plug is just right here. So I'm gonna show y'all me just putting this in my ear. So I'm gonna tilt my head, put this right here, and then I have a towel under me, and when I feel like it's done enough, I stop it. So if you're looking for an ear cleaner, this definitely is a good choice. This is so much better for you rather than just using a Q-tip. But I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you next time.